Hey all, welcome to the Digital Education Hub YouTube channel. In this video, I'll just go over the basics on how to use FlipGrid. FlipGrid is a video sharing platform that allows users to share recorded videos of themselves. In the classroom, teachers have been mainly using FlipGrid to allow students to show or share recordings of what work they did on an assignment. This platform was very useful for me in the middle of the pandemic when I was teaching remotely and all my students were at home. This is a good way to allow students to show or create videos of themselves doing their assignments or even just introducing themselves to you as the teacher. This was great, and I found students really like this. So now let's just go straight into how to create a FlipGrid account. So if I was trying to find FlipGrid, I would just go to Google, type in FlipGrid, and look for the link that says FlipGrid Empower Every Voice. Click on that, and then this is where educators can sign up for FlipGrid. I would just click on this button, and this is the most important thing to remember about FlipGrid, is you must either have a Microsoft account or a Google account. And the same thing goes for all of your students. In order for them to use FlipGrid, they either need to have a Microsoft account or a Google account. So after you create a FlipGrid account, you will be taken to a page that looks something similar to this. So this is what the FlipGrid homepage would look like. You wouldn't have any of these yet because you wouldn't have created any groups. I've already created 3 groups. There's just 2 main things on FlipGrid. It's a really easy platform to learn. The 2 things are groups and topics. Groups simply means your classes, or if you're a secondary teacher, maybe your periods you're teaching every day. And then your topics will be your lessons, your lesson plans. Great. So like I said, I've created 3 classes or 3 groups already: the fun group, the super fun group, and the cool group. So if I wanted to create a new group, I would just go up here, and all you have to do is name a group and then add all the members. If you are a part of Google Classroom, FlipGrid is greatly useful because you can just add your full classroom or all your students already. If you don't have Google Classroom, you'll have to add individual emails for each of your students. And then you name your group or your class here. Great. Let's just look at one of the groups that I've already created though. And so when you go into your group, you'll notice all the lessons, or in other words, topics that you have for this group. So I have 3 lessons or topics for this group. I can create a new topic here. And when I create a new topic, then I can add the title, the description. Here's the different ways. I'm pretty sure students can add something to their FlipGrid. And then here is the recording time students have, how long they have to record their video. Here's some attachments you can add to your topic or lesson plan. Here's some more settings you can really go into for when you're creating a lesson. The time frame you want students to do that lesson in. You can moderate how students can view each other's videos. Remember, FlipGrid's a video sharing platform, so all students can view each other's videos. You can change that setting so only you can view students' videos, or you can moderate comments, so you can have students view each other's videos, but you can moderate if students can add text or comments to those videos or not. And then here are more details on how students can respond. Here's more details on how their camera is going to work on FlipGrid, and I'll go more into these a little bit later. First, I'll just show you quickly this topic that I created. And so this is a topic that I created. I can go and edit that topic here. No matter what lesson plan you created, you can always go in and edit it however you want to. If I want to, let's say, have this lesson on a different group, I can always just come here to the 3 little dots also and click duplicate topic. Go here to a different group, let's say cool group. I want to add this lesson that I created onto my cool group or a different class. I can just click duplicate. And now this lesson will go onto that class, and I can now click view topics. Let's go to the cool group. And there we go. I see the drawing triangles lesson now on this group. Great. Other thing, once you go into your lesson plan or topic, you can see then all students' responses. I haven't added any students yet, so I have 0 responses right now. But let's say you as a teacher want to add an example response. You can click here and do that. And then here also, you will be able to see what students access when they're creating a video. And hi, this is me. If students want to record a video, they click right here, and really you can see all the fun stuff students can do with the video here. So you see the 1:30 countdown start, because this video, students are only given 1:30 to record a video. I can pause it whenever I want to. I can add a bunch of cool special effects like drawing on a pen. I can add text. I can add stickers or emojis or GIFs. So yeah, students can have a lot of fun with this. They can even add media sources. Let's see, they can upload clips. I can set recording and muting. They can change the background. They can change their position in the video. So yeah, students can have a lot of fun with this. You can have a lot of fun with this in creating your videos. Cool. And so to get out of this screen, I would just go up here and click close. Great, great, great. And so if you ever want to see what your FlipGrid page looks like from the student view, you can always just click member view. And this, whoever is part of your group, this is what it'll look like from their view. So here's what the lesson would look like if I went specifically to that topic or lesson. Here's what the group looks like, my group page that I created. And then, like I said, here's where the lessons look like. If you ever want to add students to your group and you want to know what that part all looks like, you want to click right here to give students the join code to be able to join your group. And then here's the page students would be on when they first try to log on to FlipGrid. They would just go down here and type in that code that you just copied. I don't think that was, oh yeah, that was the code. Cool. So they'll just go in here and type in that code, click that button, and then they'll just have to log in, and then they'll be taken straight to your group. So always make sure to give students that code first. Great, so that's pretty much all with FlipGrid. That's pretty much everything that I had to show you. 2 other things, just real quick here, is there's tons of lessons already created on FlipGrid, so you can come in here and you can see lessons already created. Like for today's topic, they have one on astronauts. Also, you can talk with the group on FlipGrid or other teachers on FlipGrid by sharing videos of yourself. Talk with other people, other teachers on FlipGrid, share ideas. So yeah, that's a little basics on FlipGrid. In the next video on FlipGrid, I'll go over some of the equitable ways in which to use it. Thanks y'all for watching.